This video might be the most ignored Procreate video on the internet, because in this video I am going to plead with you, please name your layers. I've done it here. Flower, stem, swatches. If I turn that on, I can see what that is. But some of the other layers I haven't named. And so I'm going to play the time-honored game of turning each layer on and off, trying to figure out what it does. Stem, well, I already know because I named the layer. Now, sometimes with layer 11, oh, yeah, I think I can see. It's those bits there, but I'm having to search. With this bit here, I'm pretty certain layer 12, yeah, that added a bit of extra detail onto that flower, but layer 13, even zoomed in up close and personal, I'm not entirely sure what it does. Now, let's face it, most of us don't name our layers because the zone we're in tells us we want to paint, and it is a different zone in our brain that tells us we want to be renaming layers and thinking about things like that. And we don't like going to that part of our brain which has to name things and think logically, because it is quite hard to get back into the creative zone. And so can I suggest a compromise? Name your main layers, like with this. My flower is my main layer and there's bits based on top of it. So at least name the main layers, like the flower, the stem. Maybe I should have named the leaves, in which case just tap and hold, rename to leaves, and now I know what that layer is doing. Yes, it's boring advice, and yes, many people will ignore it, so please at least let's compromise. Just name the most important layers. And right now, you may be that cool kid at the back of the class who's chewing gum and saying, the teacher's an idiot, but one day you will thank me, and when you do, I will do my best not to be Sergeant Smug of the Smug Folk.